In this video, I'll guide you through how to cancel a Chase Zelle recurring payment. It's a straightforward process, but it's important to ensure each step is followed carefully to successfully stop those automatic payments. Let's dive in. First, you'll need to sign in to your Chase account. You can do this on your computer or through the Chase mobile app. Make sure you have your login credentials handy for a smooth sign-in process. Once you're in, look for the option labeled Pay and Transfer. This is where you'll find various options related to your payments and transfers. Next, tap on Send Money with Zelle. Zelle is a popular service integrated into Chase for sending and receiving money quickly. After selecting this option, you'll be presented with several choices. What you want to do now is choose Activity or Zelle Activity. This section will show you all your recent transactions and any scheduled payments. Now, focus on finding repeating payments. It's here where your recurring payments are listed. You'll see all the automatic payments that have been scheduled to go out at regular intervals. Look through the list and find the specific recurring payment you wish to cancel. Once you've identified the payment you want to stop, tap on Cancel. A prompt will appear asking if you're sure you want to cancel this payment. Here, you'll need to choose Cancel Series. This option ensures that all future recurring payments associated with this series are stopped. It's an important step, as simply canceling one instance might not stop the entire series. Before finalizing, take a moment to review the details. Make sure you're canceling the correct payment series. Double-checking these details ensures you won't accidentally stop a different payment. If everything looks good, go ahead and confirm the cancellation. And that's it! You've successfully canceled the recurring Zelle payment in your Chase account. By following these steps, you've ensured that no future automatic payments will occur for that particular transaction. It's always a good idea to periodically review your recurring payments so you can maintain control over your finances and prevent any unwanted charges. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out or leave a comment below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more useful tutorials on managing your finances with ease.